So I am using the Many Mates. I feel like this is going to need some loving during the new annual catalog because there's so many wonderful things that this may get overlooked, but it is such a wonderful sentiment stamp set, and the dies are no less spectacular. So this covers a full card front, and I am actually going to be using this little guy for this. And I went ahead and I'm featuring the in colors as part of my favorite. So I went ahead and I cut a quarter sheet of each of these colors. Let me put them in the order that they're in here. So this is Bumblebee, Cinnamon Cider, Just Jade, Magenta Madness, and Misty Moonlight. And I just stamped with Versamark because, as you may or may not know, we do not have the in-color ink pads yet. So it took a little bit of creativity to figure out how to use these in my card. So these are the in-color DSP. There's a nice denim pattern. There's this text that is in a couple of different languages. This wood pattern, both horizontal and vertical, and then these fun dots. So I wasn't able to stamp on those because you wouldn't be able to read them, but I took some of the sentiments from this stamp set and I was going to say stamped out celebrate. Today is all about you. So I wanted to have a theme here. So this, where is it? This calls for a huge celebration. It's your day and life is better with you. It's hard to find them on there when you're looking for them. So I'm just trimming this Misty Moonlight piece down and placing them all on my card mat. If I were to do this again, I would use a bigger piece of cardstock so that I didn't have this really short piece of cinnamon cider. This is why I angled it as much as I did. Just going to apply these all with some liquid adhesive, and then I will trim the card mat down. I thought about using my little paper trimmer, and then I thought my Stampin' Trimmer would be a better fit. I do get little ridges when I cut. This is basically two heights of cardstock. So I just like to remove those little ridges that I get. This card mat is significantly thinner than my original. So I decided there would have been a little bit too much white space, so I chose to add in that second die cut, and I love the way that turned out. Just adding glue to those little diamond shapes. You could definitely adhere the whole thing using a sponge dauber and a silicone craft sheet, but I find using the diamonds is enough to keep it in place. And I'm going to add the in-color enamel dots. Looking back on it now, I wish I had kept it the way it is. I like the clean look, but this was to feature the in-colors, so feature them I did. And of course, there are 6 diamonds on each of these strips, so I had to end in the same color that I started with. So I hope that you enjoyed this card. I thank you so much for watching the Stampin' Society blog hop and participating, and we hope to see you again soon, crafty friends. Bye.